You're not gonna believe this. Super glue gets way stronger when you mix it with baking soda. I've got super glue, a bolt, a plastic bottle cap, and baking soda. First, let's scrape the cap. This helps the glue stick better. Let's add a little glue. Then sprinkle some baking soda. I repeat, glue, soda, glue, soda. It's like building a tiny weld. Now let it dry. Time to test it out. First, a 4 kilograms kettlebell. Hangs perfectly. Let's go heavier. Try 8 kilograms. Still holding. Rock solid. Now for the hammer test. It doesn't budge. Let's try harder. That's just glue and baking soda. Simple, but seriously strong.